In this lecture, we're going to be setting up Vcenter and VMware, ESXi 6.7. So we're at VMware.com, so we can actually download software. So after you log in, first get an account, create an account. They're free, right? And then go to products, and then we're going to log in. We're going to get vSphere, or is it? Let's see. Yeah, vSphere, right? Actually, it's vSphere with operation management. Click on that one. Once you're here, scroll down a little bit until you see free vSphere trial. So click on that. From here, create an account. So you're going to create a free account. After you've logged in, click on list my evaluations. Then click on download trial. So here's the ones that you want to download. You want to first download the vSphere or VMware vSphere hypervisor. That's the ESXi host. You want to manually download that. You scroll down a little bit more, and you can download either the VMware vCenter appliance for Linux, and for Windows, you click on download on the left-hand side, downloads. Then you go over to all download drivers and tools and click on open source. Then click on the VMware vSphere and operations management. Once here, click on product downloads, and you'll see the hypervisor and the VMware vCenter 6.7.0. Let's click on that one. So let's click on the VMware vCenter server 6.7.0D. Click on go to downloads. And from here, you can choose your different versions. We're going to click 6.7.0 actually, and scroll down a little bit until you see the VMware vCenter server and modules for Windows. So download that one. That's an ISO file. It's 2.2 gig roughly.